Hello. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Okay. Well, the stream stats, everything looks fine. Hey, Satyam, welcome to the stream, man. You're early. You're pretty early. Hey, starting the day with Baines. Just good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I'm a bit late for the stream, so good to have you back. Hey, thanks for the thumbnail, man. I started to think that maybe it's better to showcase all the things my community does for me in my website. So that's sometime later. I won't be doing that in live stream. That would be a bit embarrassing, but I will do it off the live streams. But yeah, the main project still remains the same. AI video editor. That's the top priority as of now. So yeah, let's begin. So wrapping up from yesterday, the differences were uh, I wasn't able to pick a proper AI which could do its job. The only issues I had. Then you can link my Twitter profile. That yeah, that's the main idea. So I only have 1 hour, so I think it's better to do that. So this is my website, as you might know. So I was thinking just to have a banner on the top or somewhere inside the YouTube section. So I know this doesn't really look that good, but I finalized this UI. The logo remains here, the username's on the top, and then points to the bottom. That's it, so that I can decrease the card size of each user and like join date somewhere. So yeah, I think this is the max card size I would use, and the next thing would be like the top banners of whatever the community did for me. Those would be here. So there are a few names I have in my mind: Iconic, Gaming Kids, Satyam, etc. Yeah, and then I would ask you guys like, what do you want me to have? What social do you want me to use in your card so that I can show them? Well, should I do this now or? I think first let's focus on the AI. That's the top priority, anyways. I need to pick a right LLM model which can be run inside my own machine, and it's free to use. Or else I can try. What is the cost? What is the cost of Chat GPT API? Yeah, first aim for the priority. But I do remember all names which did a lot for me. There was Iconic, Gaming Kids, Jayant Raj. There are a lot of donations back when I was in India, and people were trying to suggest me, your channel is great, you have a lot of cool things, but you need to stream these so that people can watch. Back in the day, I was streaming Battlefield and Apex for the first time. I wasn't really sure what to put in the thumbnail, what to put in the title. I wasn't really aware of the hashtag, and some of my viewers like, bro, go to your show me your YouTube studio, and he told me like use these keywords. I mean, they don't really have to do that, but the moment they start to feel like they need to do it, it's because there is something, there is a connection between you and me. Yeah, I appreciate it. So I'm I can afford this API if I'm only going to run this once a day. So I think I'm fine with this API, but I don't know what is the cost. What plan should I pick for Open AI Chat GPT? Oh, okay. Yeah, I have a plan to use it for this use case. So I think all the bots are running fine. So we can continue using these bots. Respect. Uh, Everything's working fine. I have a plan to use it for a use case. An AI based highlights editor sometime. I have a long form videos of my live stream. I want to generate or highlight timestamps. Don't mind my spelling mistakes. And I want to generate highlights of timestamp using AI. So the plan is I send, I share the audio in a text or something with timestamps, and it will give me timestamps of combination of short form reels. At max, I need to generate like 5 to 6 reels shots for a single long form. Let's see what it suggests. Got it. This is a real use case. You're not alone in building something that's right for you. AI generate highlights for long form content is a super hot, especially for streamers and content creators. Transcribing audio. Okay, okay. Feed the transcribe with timestamp to GPT. Ask GPT identify optional title. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, this thing is done. GPT-4 preview is currently fast and cheaper one. Okay, context up to tokens perfectly for full transcripts, even multi-hours ones, depending on the compression. Cost estimate. Okay, what is it? Chunk transcripts. If they are too long based on the speaker turns or timestamps, send only the interesting parts of the transcripts. This is what I don't want. This is what I want AI to do it. I will just send the audio, or else let's do this. I'll just better speak to the AI. My main plan is I have a long video, let's say 2 hours. I use Whisper in Python or some other package which would generate the text or an audio file. I want to feed that to AI, and it needs to do everything. It needs to tell me, okay, this sections of the audio file looks interesting. It needs to like bring out the timestamps together so that it would be a meaningful video. It's useless if I pick up the timestamps. So you're aiming for full automation. Whisper is going to give you raw transcripts and GPT handles everything. Understanding the concept? Okay, okay, that's a solid version. You absolutely want to use GPT-4 Turbo via API for this. Here's how to bring it to life. I have to transcribe. Turbos, yes, starting and text. Written something like this. Yes, sure. What can I do this by using any free LLMs which can be run in my PC? Which I can, what is the right word which I can run in my PC? Oh, which can run on my, yeah, which can run on my PC. Yeah, that makes sense. So this Minstrel is not really generating me the right format. It was trying to do something else. I am fine buying the GPT-4, but what does it cost me to buy GPT-4 Turbo, which you suggested? Imagine a long video a day. and 30 videos a month. Thanks for the like, whoever did it. I have no idea why that thing is popping up. That looks like a bug. But thanks for the like, guys. Yeah, please consider liking the stream if you are really interested, so that YouTube thinks that there is something interesting happening. Yeah, use case. So it's 2,500 INR per month. Well, that's fine. That's fine. I mean, if it works, then it's fine. Oh, does it cost per token? Monthly $7? Is that cheap? All right. Uh, all right. I will transcribe using Whisper in my local. Let's proceed. It's fine. Let me see. Obviously I have $20 a month, so no problem. No worries. Transcribe locally. Yeah, that's fine. Let's say I did it. What next? Send transcripts to GPT-4 Turbo. Should I buy it? What do you guys think? What do you guys think, people? Should I can try running a loop setup, but they aren't working. I really do need it. AI editor, default project, or read only restricted. Fine. Okay. If you don't mind, I just need to paste the API. I have something. Okay, now what? Pip install this. Want to generate the next script for you? Yeah, sure. If you need it for more than one reason, then go for it. Well, I'm a sort of person who gets the API. Let's say I got the API for one reason, obviously the AI editor. But if the moment I get it and if I feel impressed by it, it does its job, then I start to think about of more projects, maybe more interesting things it can do. Probably Golang Mama can also have its AI. Actually, I can do that. So I have another PC, so I can send messages to it and say, hey, what do you think? Can it generate some AI responses? And it can also use it. But I don't think these kind of changes would not bring any life to my channel. Maybe it's interesting for first few interactions, but after that, it's on me. So yeah, there are some weird ideas I have using AI because I wanted to learn prompt stuff and AI integrations. It's true that I don't know, I cannot build an LM, but at least let's learn how to use it. So yeah, that's one goal. And then yeah, I have to learn DSA as well, and how to work with my website as well. There are a lot of stuff and only few hours a day. Life sucks. Okay. It doesn't actually. It's fine. Okay. What is the next thing? Hmm. You do not agree with me or what? So previously, my only plan was to have the like and animations. After I got a better control on what's happening in my YouTube live stream, I got more ideas. In the same way, once I got this API, or if it does its good job, then I might get some new ideas. Then yeah, I can pay for it. I don't mind paying for stuff which I rely on, unless they are cheap. And it's if I can build the same thing with almost even 60 to 70% accuracy, then I might try running it in local, not to save money, it's just a hobby or interest. It's a different kind of a fun. Yeah, what is this? Create, highlight, generate. Yeah, this is the same thing. Oh, API key. All right, let's try this. I think I already have some logic already running right here. Be with me. I'm going to fix this. This was the transcribe for the first video. Does it have anything inside it? Probably I was silent in the first initial steps. So let's start from the beginning. So this is the video load your transcript.json. Yeah, okay, that's what I have. Highlight generator, where is it? Highlight.ai. What is this? Sign main. This is the transcribe. I basically send the same payload. Highlight, okay. Well, maybe I need the transcript inside. So to die if I copied this long of transcript. I don't think it would be able to do this big of a transcribe, but it's worth a try, I guess. Yeah, let's save it in a JSON file. What I need to do JSON load. Okay, let's do wipe code. I have the video. Add the logic to transcribe using local whisper. Tushna, thanks. Thanks for the like. Hope you have a wonderful day. If it's night for you, then hope you have a wonderful tomorrow. Generate highlight py. Okay, this one file, I think it's enough. Okay, your video, your API key, model size, and highlight output. Okay. Well, this is my video. Rename. Let's call it input. Input.mkv. Is it mkv? I need to change this. Tom Sebastian, do you make UML diagrams in your project? I used to, but it's not really needed anymore. The languages which I use are not really object oriented, and then I don't really do much abstraction nowadays. I just try to keep it simple. I understand UML diagrams are important for large projects, but the projects which I am doing, I don't think that's really needed. Am I speaking too fast? I will keep a medium pace. Yes. So UML diagrams are important when you're working in a team, or maybe you're working on alone and you are not really working that consistent. Maybe you're working for a month and then you're not working for 6 months. Then yeah, you would obviously need a diagram to see it and able to grasp or able to get back what you're trying to do. For that, I just use Xcali draw, something like this, and basically I don't really have anything here, but yeah, I save them inside my repository so that the moment I see them, I get all my memory back. Yes, UML diagrams, not really, unless you're really using an object-oriented, like a purely abstracted architecture. Then yeah, other than I don't think it's really needed. So what do you use the UML diagrams for? Do you see any use case for this project? I don't see any. Maybe if you see any, just let me know. Maybe that could improve my developer experience. Okay, let me paste my API key and see. Maybe I can import this one. Where's my API key? Okay, I have my API key, so I'm just running it in local now. Less Python, what is it? Highlight underscore AI.py. I don't know if I'm running this or not. Yeah. Well, there is first error, line 69. What is that? It's the videos right here. Oh, it's in the videos and input. No. Oh yeah, the videos. The video was in a different file. One second. Nope, it's still not working. Uh, what does it mean? Check the FFmpeg is installed. Why do we need FFmpeg? Do I need FFmpeg for this? Strange. From what is it? API import API key and just use it from API import API key. Oh well, let's change to API. Okay, let's name it to API. Then just use it. Okay, so that I'm just the monitor is not visible. Sorry, I was trying to play with the APIs. I just didn't want it to share it. But for me, it helps a lot, even for small projects. Well, I understand what is a good use case for it, but for my project, I understand drawing a functional diagram, which I make a rough diagram of using this same Excalibur application. Why am I using these many tabs? This one is here. So I would just open Excalibur and I just imagine, okay, this is video. This needs to be going inside. Once I deep dive, but for now it's really straightforward. I'm using tools. I'm using one tool to describe to get the transcribe or the text. I looks like my internet didn't. Sorry, it looks like my internet was not stable. It got disconnected and it might be reconnected back. So never mind. It says like it was working fine yesterday. Now we good. Yeah, yeah. I was using the same Whisper previously. You know what? Let's just return the time of the video. Model size medium is this. Was it also using the same one? Transcribe video, return signals. Yeah, basically this is the same thing, so I'm not going to worry about it much. File path, transcribe audio. So where is the function? Okay, transcribe audio. There is need of video file. Where is video file? This is a video file to start. Where is the main? I wish I had the previous code for this. So it was inside videos and stuff. So I would basically use the same. Who knows? Input. Okay, this seems fine now. See. I know this is the same function. Same function. Sequence equals to video transcribe dot audio. If this transcribe is working, why not the other one? Let's try this for some moment, maybe. I'm deleting this. It's fine. I can generate it again if needed. So transcribe equals to transcribe audio, and it should have input path. This was what previously worked on Python main py. Oh, it's having the same issue. There's something has happened. Mhm. All right. Do I have? I don't think I'm using the env here. So, well, let me Python 3 venv venv. I think this is the one. Oh, Python dash m. What is the? Okay, it's oh. What is the next thing? It's source something. I hate it. Lib. It's not lib. Scripts. Activate. Okay. It's venv v slash. What is the other? Active scripts. Activate. Not bad. Is it? Oh, looks like it. Okay. What now? Python main.py. Let's install all the things which is needed. Pip install Whisper, OpenAI, OpenAPI or OpenAI, what is it? OpenAI. I hate doing these exact same things again and again. Just run it, please. Hmm. What does it want? This is the thing. These are not really any useful errors. Is there a package error? Is it my import error? What is? Is there any Python guru in our chat? Maybe he can help. Fix this by using 3.1 stable for Win. Okay, what do I have? 3.11. Oh, someone did. 0.11. Okay. If that's the case, yeah. How can I detach this? Dude, yesterday what it was working fine. Why wouldn't it work? Is there any other language I can do this? I'm not enjoying Python. I hate it. JavaScript and Node as well. Yeah, C++, Golang. Why? Really? We can do this in Golang? I didn't think of it. Oh, well, I'm not even going into Rust. I think it's web technologies. Which one you to choose? For my project, suggest one. I have a video, pick, transcribe, pass it to AI, process it, then generate clips or trim those timestamps. Hmm. Yeah, Node.js, yeah. It's for AI, Node.js wrapper is transcribe. Okay, generates. Well, I will still keep this Python as it is. I'm not going to touch it. But yeah, let's proceed with using some other language. I'm done. If you guys might think I'm so weak in Python, which is true, make dir AI node cd AI node get init npm init. That's fine. I don't need TypeScript and stuff, but it's okay. Let's start with node. Set up a node environment. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Install required packages. Let's use with npm install. That's done. What is write a code transcribe? Fetch. Why do I need Axios for? Oh, okay. Is it possible to send this big of a transcribe for the AI? Is it fine? I mean, if it's fine, then I'm not really worried about it. Index.js. Okay, so far no errors. I guess that's a good sign. Export API equals to. I'm going to copy paste my API. So moving it to another screen. 1 second. 1 second, people. 1 second. Is that an error? Why is that an error? Profile JS. Yep, finally. It is an error for some reason. I don't know what is it. Oh, it's the comment. I don't need this comment, please. Okay, that has been done. I'm bringing back my logic here. So instead of this, it will be API. Yes. Video path. So I need to copy the damn video file. So it was previously in videos input. This is the one, and I'm also going to just paste it here. For some reason, the light I'm using, it's burning my eyes. It's fine. It's only just for an hour anyways. I'm going to ignore it for now. But without that light, it would be so dark inside my room. Yep, that's done. So I have the input file. Where is it? Right here. Where is the video path? Where are we calling this function? Video path, part of the video. It should be input.mkv. Is it? Yep, that's it. Terminal ls. Yep, that's it. Node index.js. As expected. Well, hope you guys didn't see it. 1 second. Unexpected. Start. Says invalid URL. What do you mean invalid URL? URL index.js 59. This is 59 transcribed audio. Can you go to the definition, please? Yeah. Oh, are they talking about? Is it wrong URL here? Is it what the URL is talking about. Let me see the API calls. So it looks the same, api.openai.com v1. Well, for me it's chat and completions, but here it looks different. Oh, this is the one I need to use it. Why would I need OpenAI here? Okay, use local Whisper. Do not use Open API Whisper, which involves internet. Just transcribe locally. Got it. What? It's the same thing. It was not working for me. Basically, I need to bring out the same transcribe then. Python Whisper. I'm just installing it in using this global pic. Already satisfied? Well, look, it's fine. It can understand Telugu. Okay, whatever it is. It's always useful to basically kind of provide transcribe input dot mkv. I don't know how it would be running or not. Python command. Is it running? Looks like it's running. For some reason, it didn't run previously. Let's see, it's downloading something. Don't know what it is, but let's wait. Still waiting. FPS section is not supported on CPU using F2 instead. Okay. I I don't know what that means, but let's see. Why was it returning me segments in the previous code? Don't run it. Does it run fine? Looks like there was an error. So it's using the same thing. Oh, I was using the base model. Oh, turbo is this big? Oh yeah, it's doing something. It's definitely doing something. It's using like CPU potential. Yeah, looks like it. My my PC fans are started to spin a lot faster than expected. Yeah, it's a good thing. No problem. Come on. Still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. It looks like it's still processing something. I can see the CPU usage is still at almost full. I do have a penalty patch. Ouch. Is my mic working? Yeah, it does work. Come on. If it takes this long, but it shouldn't take this long. Hmm. How long does it take generally? I had a question before. I had a question. Can it handle that big of a transcribe JSON API call? I was just curious. So keep in mind, I am using Whisper local to generate the text of my video transcribe. Now, still working. Now, how I need to send this to OpenAI so that it can give me clips, right? Clip timestamps, and using that, I can edit videos using FFmpeg to generate clips. Is it done yet? What does it mean? Mean that Whisper, the model you're using for transcription, is trying to use F16, 16-bit floating point precision for faster calculation, but your system CPU doesn't support FP16. As a result, it's falling back to FP32, which is more universally supported but a bit slower than FP16. Okay, what is happening? CPU typically doesn't have a sign hardware. Okay. Oh, no, it's just a warning. Okay. Why can't it use my GPU instead? You can use your GPU to speed up the transcription process using which we the fact that it's highly recommended. Cool. I mean, that's what I have. Oh, hmm, interesting. There's no sign of GPU inside it. Modify this. Give me all pip install commands as well. But while this is running, you can just change it, right? Requirement didn't. Turbo audio. These versions, vision, torch. That's what it is. Torch and vision. Okay. They looks like they are already satisfied. Okay, now what? If this is using my CPU, I don't think it would be a problem to use CPU. It's using CPU again. And I do have NVIDIA 38D. Python temp.py. Touch not compatible with CUDA enabled. I don't know what does it mean, so let's paste it. Searching the web. So CUDA is it's too lazy. Just give me something which works, please. What does it want? All right, let's